Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for tensile tits in Utah. Yeah, that's what he calls himself. He ordered this up on the website www.truckscbsales.com. One of the 15 lucky people to get the new RCI X9. And these things are just beautiful. This is just one of the many colors. I went through this before, but a little touch screen here where you can select all kinds of different colors. I really like it. Got your top back here. You've got 6 bands on the high side, 6 on the low. Upper side band, lower side band. Just a great talking rig. Let's just go ahead and get to it here. RF power all the way down. Old Tensile Tents requested a 4-watt carrier all the way down. We got him about 3. Rode all the way up, 30. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. 70 bird. 250 watt slug and PEP. Hello. 150 watts PEP. Now, Tensile Tits, the dual fan configuration on the bottom is going to keep this thing nice and cool. It's going to blow air across the heat sink that's inside the amp section and come right out the back here. I think you're really going to enjoy it. Tensile Tits, appreciate you. From Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.